lab 4.4.6, and we're going to be looking at IP4 troubleshooting tools, IPV4 troubleshooting tools for Linux, and to make this video as short as possible. So let's start up. We open our terminal and then we type in, let's see, use the exhibit to locate the IP address and etc. So let's open the questions. Okay, so exhibit, let's see, this is the IP address at the external DNS servers. Okay, and let's see what is the IP address of the external DSS server. So that's going to be 163.128.80.93, and this is it. So let's close this and let's see. So we type in TestOut 163.128.80.93. TestOut out 163.128.80.93. Okay, so we have some of the details. So what is the IP address of the default gateway? So that is going to be, okay, here's the IP address here. Let me bring it so that you see what. So the default gateway IP is going to be, here's it here. Okay, so it's going to be yep. So it's going to be 192.168.0.5. What is the IP address of the CompTIA main router? So the CompTIA main router is going to be 192.168.56.1, and this is going to be 192.28.56.18, and this is going to be 198.28.2.254, and question 6 is going to be, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so for this is going to be, so let's see, trace routes. So use to access the remote computer using 10.10. So trace out 10.10.20.10, and okay, so we have the informations we need. Okay, so this is going to be 6. Yep. And for this question 7, this is going to be, question 7 is going to be, let's see, here is the IP address here, 73.44.216.7. Okay, so that is it. I think we're done with all of it. So, and that is the router part here. So let's cross check our answers. All our questions are complete. So we close this and we go ahead and check our answers. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Share the video also to other educational platforms so that other students can benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.